Grade 7 Touchpad. This is fully focused on MS Excel and let us know the contents of this Grade 7 Computer Science. This is published by Orange Education Private Limited. Contents are Chapter 1 Types of Software, where we are going to learn about the software and types of the software such as system software and application software. And next, Chapter 2 Advanced Features of Windows 7. Here we are going to learn about the understanding Windows Explorer, different views of files and folders, that is medium view, larger view and small view. Searching of the files or the folders, that includes wildcard characters such as question mark and asterisk, control panel and the font setting, each and everything. Periodic assessment 1. Next, chapter 3 Introduction to MS Excel 2010. Here we are going to learn about the starting MS Excel 2010, creating a new workbook or the worksheet, and data types in MS Excel, components of MS Excel 2010, entering data in a worksheet or the spreadsheet. And chapter 4 Editing in MS Excel, selecting a cells in a worksheet and copying or moving data using undo and redo features, and column width and the row height, inserting rows or columns, merging cells, column with rows and heights, and the custom worksheet tab and autofill. Next, chapter 5 includes formulas and functions. Using formulas to perform calculations, different ways to enter formulas, cell referencing in formulas and its types, order of operations, that is Bodmas rule used in mathematics, understanding cell range functions, periodic assessment 2, test sheet 1. Chapter 6 Excel as database. Form in Excel, using form in Excel, sorting data, that is arranging in the form of ascending and descending order, filtering data, and conditional formatting using data validation, using subtotal command, using pivot table. Chapter 7 includes charts in Excel, components of a chart, types of a chart in MS Excel, creating a chart, formatting a chart, periodic assessment 3. Conditional and looping statements in Basic 256. Conditional statements looping for next statement, and sample programs using for next statement, while end while statement, sample programs using while end while statement, infinite loop. Chapter 9 Services on Internet. Services on Internet includes Internet services, cyber security, cybercrime, hacking and cracking, periodic assessment 4, test sheet 2, project work, explore more Excel 2016, OGO cyber sample questions, keyboard shortcut keys, that is MS Excel, and glossary. Let us know the let us know about this chapter 1, and the chapter 1 is the types of software. Your aim of this chapter, that is the goal of the chapter, includes software, application software, system software. What exactly is a software? Let us know what exactly is a software and what are the types of the software. Under the types of the software, again it is further categorized into three types. Let us know one by one. Before going to learn about the software, let us know some basic points of computer. A computer system is made up of a number of electronic devices such as which are connected together. It is made up of both hardware and software. That is, hardware refers to the physical component that make up a computer system. Physical component, that is, hardware is nothing but any component that we can see or touch is called as hardware. What exactly is software? Software is nothing but a set of instructions or a program. Next, hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. You have already learned about hardware in the previous classes. In this chapter, you will learn about software. What exactly is software? Software is a set of instructions that makes the computer perform tasks. Software is another term for a computer program. It controls the computer and makes it do useful work. Without software, a computer is useless. Software can be classified into two broad categories, that is system software and application software. System software, it is the most important software to operate a computer. The operating system is a type of the system software. System software can be classified into three categories, that is operating system, programming software, and utility software. You can observe this picture, that is system software SS. It is further classified into three categories, that is operating system OS, programming software PS, utility software US. Next, operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer, and it manages the computer's memory, process data, and controls all its software as well as hardware. Operating system is exactly defined as it is an interface between computer hardware and user. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory, processes data, and controls all its software as well as hardware. It serves as an interface between the user and hardware. Without an operating system, a computer is useless. Types of operating system. Operating system usually come preloaded on any computer that you buy. Most people use the operating system that comes with their computer, but it is possible to upgrade or even change an operating system. Next, the three most common operating systems for personal computers are Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, that is Mac operating system, and Linux. Other known names are iMac, Unix, and DOS. DOS is nothing but disk operating system. You can observe this picture, that is Windows OS, that is operating system, and Mac OS and Linux. These are the types of operating system. Functions of an operating system. What exactly the functions of the operating systems are as follows, that is operating system performs three types of functions. One is manages the computer resources, provides character user interface, that is CUI, and graphical user interface GUI, that is keyboard and mouse, runs applications through multitasking, foreground and background applications, manages computer resources. It coordinates the memory processing, storage, and printers, monitors system performance, provides security, starts up the computer, etc. Programming software. It is the software used by the computer to understand and convert the instructions by programming language into machine language. Programming and computer software, founded in the year 1975, is devoted to provide solutions to problems in all the areas of computer science, operating systems, compiler technology, software engineering, artificial intelligence, etc. Examples of programming software are assembler, compiler, interpreter. An assembler is a program used to translate assembly level language into machine language so that the computer can understand it. Compiler. A compiler is a software that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing or running the program. It displays the errors for the whole program together. Interpreter. An interpreter is also a separate program that converts the entire source program into machine language before executing it. An interpreter translates and executes one statement at a time. It displays the errors one line at a time, and it goes to the next line only after the error is corrected. Utility software. Utility software are provided as a part of the operating system. They are specifically designed to manage the computer hardware, operating system, and application software. Utility software is a part of the OS. It is designed to manage computer hardware, OS, and AS. In the mean, we can write the formula as US is equal to H plus OS plus AS. That means application software plus operating system plus computer hardware. It also includes some of the utility software are, that is backup utility. It is used for keeping the backup files for emergency use. Windows backup and restore is the default Windows backup utility. Data compression program. It is used to compress a large file into a file of a smaller size so that it occupies less space and is easy to store. WinZip and WinRAR are examples of this software. You can observe this data compression, that is compressed files. The large amount of data has been compressed, that is nothing but data compression. Next is about disk defragmenter. As the name itself indicates, the disk defragmenter is nothing but the memory of a computer is divided into small blocks. The files are started in the continuous blocks of space in the hard disk. When a file is deleted from the computer, a part of the space becomes free when a new file is saved on the computer, and some part of it is saved on the first available free space in the memory. After some time, the file gets stored in the various fragments, which slows down the speed of the computer. The disk defragmenter organizes the fragments of the files into continuous blocks to improve the performance of the computer. Fragmented disk. This is defragmented disk. Defragmented and fragmented disk is been shown in this picture. You can observe that. Quick kill and not run. That was nothing but virus scanners. Antivirus. Let us know about the virus scanner. It is used to scan the computer for viruses among files and folders. It scans the disk each time you insert it into a computer or whenever the computer is booted. It is also called antivirus software, quick kill, not run, etc. are examples of the antivirus software. Booting is a process that loads the operating system and prepares the system for use. What exactly is the application software? Application software is a program designed to perform users platform or the perform specific task. It is designed to be used by end users. Generally, people refer to application software as software. Application software can be broadly classified into two categories, that is, general purpose software and customized software. General purpose software includes word processor, spreadsheet, presentation software, DBMS, that is database management system, DTP, desktop publishing, DTP, that is desktop publishing software, image processing software, multimedia processor, application software. Let us know the general purpose software. General purpose software are those which have not been developed according to the needs of a particular organization or a particular industry. It can be used for both commercial and non commercial purposes. The general purpose software can be further classified into seven different groups on the basis of their uses. These are word processor. Word processors are used to create, edit, and format test documents. They are commonly used in businesses, schools, and at home. Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word. Microsoft Word is the most commonly used word processor. Some other word processors are WordPerfect, Writer, and Keyword, Kword, and spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software are used to calculate, compare, and analyze data and used to prepare different reports. It is also used to create graphs, charts based on the data stored in the spreadsheet. Some commonly used spreadsheet programs include Microsoft Excel, Lotus 1, 2, 3, and Calc, etc. Presentation graphics software. Presentation graphics software are used to create presentations which include sound, music, videos, charts, and animations. Presentations are used by salespersons, managers, teachers, students, etc. Some commonly used presentation graphics software are Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Corel presentation, Impress, etc. Graphics software. Graphic software are further divided into two parts, that is drawing and painting software and computer aided design, that is CAD. A drawing and painting software allows free-hand drawing and coloring. Some commonly used drawing and painting software are Paint, Draw, etc. Computer aided design. It is used to help in designing of a product, that is CAD. Computer aided design software is used by engineers, that is civil engineers, architects and designers to produce detailed design plans and technical drawings. Microsoft Access, Adobe InDesign. Database Management System, that is DBMS software. Database Management System, that is DBMS software, are used to create, store, modify, and sort. Sort is nothing but ascending or descending order, that is arranging the files in the form of proper, that is ascending or descending manner, that is nothing but sorting. Sorting data stored in the database, that is create, store, modify, that is CSMS. You make a keyword: C for create, S for store, M for modify, S for sort, that is CSMS. Our database is an organized collection of related data. The DBMS is used to query, that is, query the database and find any information easily. It is also used to generate reports on the basis of data stored in it. Some commonly used DBMS include Microsoft Access, Oracle, Microsoft SQL, that is structured query language, server base, etc. Desktop publishing, DTP software. Desktop publishing, DTP software are used to create newspapers, magazines, brochures, still advertisements, etc. They are commonly used to create files that create lot of graphics. Some commonly used DTP software include Corel Draw, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, and Quack Express and Microsoft Publisher. Multimedia software. Multimedia software are used to combine the text with graphics, videos, and sounds. Therefore, it is called multimedia software. Some commonly used multimedia software are Windows Media Player, Windows Movie Maker, and Picasa, Inkscape, Media Monkey, etc. Windows Media Player. Next is, that is the last thing, that is nothing but customizer software. What exactly is the customizer software? Customizer software are those which have been developed according to the needs of a particular organization or an individual. Such software is also called as tailor-made software. Recap or the recap or these of this chapter, or remembering the points which are very important in this chapter is: a computer system is a collection of hardware and software components designed to provide an effective tool for computation. Software is a set of instructions that makes the computer perform tasks. Operating system OS serves as an interface between computer hardware and user. Programming software is used to understand and converting the instructions by programming language into machine language. Backup utility is used for keeping the backup files for emergencies. And application software is a program designed to help users perform specific tasks. Exercise part. Tick the correct option. Which of the following is not a type of system software? Answer: spreadsheet. MS Word is an example of system software. Which of the following is not a programming software? Spreadsheet. Which one of this is an operating system? Linux. Which software is used by engineers, architects, and designer? CAD. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Application software, operating system, word processor, disk defragmenter, system software. System software can run independently with some conditions. Operating system manages computer resources. CAD is an example of application software. Disk defragmenter organizes fragments of files into continuous blocks. And word processor are commonly used in business, schools, and at home. Right, true or false? Data compression program is used to compress large sized file into a smaller size file. True. A computer system is made up of number of software devices. It is made up of software plus hardware. False. Virus scanner is used to scan only folders of a file. False. It is also used to scan files and folders. False. DBMS is an utility software. False, because it is an application software. What is an operating system? Operating system acts as an interface between computer hardware and user. Write the names of any three general purpose software. DTP, that is desktop publishing. DBMS, database management system. CAD, computer aided design. And spreadsheet, multimedia, etc. What is utility software? Utility software is a combination of hardware, that is computer hardware, application software plus operating system. It includes backupping the data and this defragmenter, etc. Let us know the second chapter in the next class. Thank you.